guys, it's me Sachin from Autobacs, and here with me is the brand new Endeavour 2.0 10-speed. Over the past few years, we have done a lot of Endeavours and we have facelifted it to F150, we have done body kits, we have done lifts and many projects. And here is a unique brand new project. It is the latest F150 body kit installed to this Endeavour. As you can see, the body kit is of a completely new design. The grille is much more wider and the complete body kit is a little bit more wider than the previous F150 Raptor kit, and it also has a dual fog lamp, and the headlight design is much more sleek and stylish than before. The bonnet scoop is also much wider and it's of a completely different design. One of the major highlights of this new body kit is this headlight. It comes with a dual projector headlight and it also has a matrix turn signal over here and a turn signal over here. We have installed a 20x12J -44 offset wide wheels from XF Off-Road, and the tires are from Venile 33 12.5 R20 mud terrains. We have lifted this car for 4 inches and the differential is dropped. The upper control arms are also been upgraded, and lot of other components that is connected like the tie rod and steering ends are all upgraded, and we have used a Profender Queen series 15-step suspensions for this purpose. The coil spring is also from Profender, and this terrain management system, the lower the numbers, the softer is the ride. If you go for higher numbers like 14, 15 and all, the car will be much more harder and it will be more comfortable on highways, and the lower step will be much more refined for the off-roads. As we have increased the height of this car, for the comfort of accessibility inside the car, we have also upgraded the footstep with an electronic footstep, and this is from a brand called Venile. On the rear, we have installed a Piggyback 2.0 suspensions from Profender. It comes with an 8-step terrain management system, and we have also upgraded the coil springs, and that is from a brand called Dobinsons that is made in Australia. As you can see on the rear part, the main element which gives this massive look of this car is this wide body which extends from the quarter panel until here. And also we have added an aftermarket taillight. It is an LED taillight which comes with a matrix indicators. We have also added a unique shade of Nardo Grey paint job to this car, and we have also completely done a custom vinyl job which features an effects for off-road on this side and a splattering design towards the rear, and this vinyl job is a combination of red and black color. We have also added a lot of custom carbon fiber parts to this car. As for example, you can see this bonnet scoop is carbon fiber, the rear dicky garnish and this mirror covers and few other interior parts are also changed to carbon fiber. In fact, we have done a lot of technical upgrades to this car, which is in fact similar to the previous videos which we have made. For example, like the major parts like the suspension parts, the differential drop kits, the tie rod ends, the steering ends, everything has been upgraded. So if you have any doubts on these minute details and specifications and technical details of this car, you can always feel free to comment on this. We can even make a brand new video of this technical specifications. Right now we have explained only the highlights of this car. As you can see externally, the car is having the major part is the body kit that we have highlighted. But if you come in detail, you can see the headlight is completely different, the voltage is different, the technical specification is different, and the lights here is different, the fog lamp is also different, and it is all very powerful and bright, and even the suspensions are different. So if you need any more technical specification, feel free to comment on this video. So that's it for today. Very soon we will be coming up with more and more videos, more and more different cars, different projects, and that's it for today. Signing off, Sachin from Autobacs.